Hello guys, Ziad here from Lemme Help You. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Microsoft Office suite. So this will require no special software, no tools, no anything, no subscribing to weird websites, no downloading things, no nothing. You'll just have to follow some very simple steps. So you go to your browser, you go to the link bar and you type in bit.ly/ and there it is, Office 2016 txt. Click enter. It may not work, so you'll just copy paste it here and hit enter, and then you'll get a window full of letters, words, symbols. It may not make sense to you, but you don't have to worry. You only have to start copying from the symbol at here at the top and all the way to the bottom, but not to the very end. You need to stop at letter E at the end of the word pause. You need to copy this and then go to desktop. Now you need to create a new text document. Keep the name as it is or change it, it doesn't matter at all. Just open it and paste the text that you just copied inside and then save as. The same name, only you need to add .cmd. That's it. And you'll save, you'll close this. You don't even need this file anymore, the text file. So you can delete it or you can just keep it. So this is the new file that we just created with the save as command. Now you have to right click and run as admin. So as you can see, it says that it activates only the Microsoft 2016 versions, but because my system is activated already, so I don't have any problems. So it's very natural that it says that the connection failed a couple of times, but then after waiting for some short seconds, you'll see that it says product activated successfully. And then at the bottom it says, would you like to visit my blog? Yes or no. You just need to press N because you may not want to visit the blog and it doesn't affect. So you just hit N and that's it. It's activated now. Try it, and if it works, that's very great. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comment section, and I'm pretty sure that it will work. So thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video to help others also that are having the same problem. And we would like to have your suggestions in the comment section to tell us about what other problems you're facing with your laptop or with your software. So maybe we can help you in this. So let me help you always.